How would you feel when your glass door is equipped with a 5A fingerprint lock? Your house will become extremely luxurious, showing a classy technological beauty. The 5A glass is designed with monolithic aluminium. The inner surface is stainless steel, creating the solidness for the surface. The 5A glass uses 4 AA batteries and lasts up to 6 months of operation, with voice-activated battery warnings. In addition, the micro USB is compacted to help upgrade the version and power when there are problems with the battery. 5A glass operates on 2 automatic and non-automatic mechanisms. The strength of the 5A glass is the integration of nearly 1,000 fingerprints, 100 magnetic cards, and 100 codes.
Verification passed. Please open the door. Please open the door.
Now I will instruct you on how to install the 5A glass. 5A glass has this advantage of installation. This product is super simple to install. Anyone could do it themselves without the help of a high technological expertise, and there is no need to affect the shape of the glass. This strength has made 5A glass the #1 bestseller of 5A system. With the outstanding features of these products, please feel free to contact us at the website 5asystems.com. For more detailed information and installation instructions, please visit 5asystems.com. Thank you and see you again. Goodbye.